So if you are one of those special people who have donated towards our fundraiser, thank you so much, and I hope that you are enjoying that warm, fuzzy feeling knowing that you are helping to bring a lot of joy to a lot of children. My special announcement is that to mark the fact we are more than 50% of the way there towards our fundraising target, I am now giving everybody who donates £50 or more to the campaign their own free signed copy of Fred the Fire Sneezing Dragon. So please visit our GoFundMe page and find out how you can help to make my dream come true.